The setup procedure is the same for both the MFP models and the printers. Open the shipping box. Remove the power cord and packing material from the top. Remove the accessory box from inside the rear of the shipping box. Remove the spare waste toner bottle and documents from the accessory box. One of the documents is the setup guide. Remove the front and right side shipping pads. Two people can now carefully remove the machine from the box by grasping the lifting handles in the bottom on both sides. Place the printer on a flat surface. Remove the Ziploc bag and all plastic as well as any cardboard material. Now remove the tape and cushioning materials from the main unit. If a sheet of paper is in this area, open the MP tray and remove the sheet. Close the MP tray. Release the upper tray from here to open it. Push it all the way back to lock it open. Remove the tape and cushioning material which is on the toner containers. Detach the tape towards the rear and pull the yellow tab in the direction of the arrow, which will remove the orange spacer. Remember to close the upper tray.